Jason here. We're back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at 1969 Chevelle and El Camino header panel and trunk lid emblems by Resto Parts, original parts group's in-house brand. Our header panel emblems and trunk lid emblems both feature the by Chevrolet design. Each emblem is manufactured from die-cast alloy out of case-hardened steel tooling. The by Chevrolet fascia is finished with black enamel paint and brushed metal look. This will last for years to come. The trunk lid emblem features the Chevelle script just like original. The script is finished in a triple chrome plating. In addition, every emblem features the correct located mounting pins and necessary mounting hardware for easy installation. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to follow us for more great product features. For more information on this and any other great product, please log on to opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.